Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to create a form in Formstack 2025. If you're running a business, organizing events, or just need to collect info from people, Formstack is your go-to tool for making professional forms quickly and easily. It's user-friendly and packed with features to help you in 2025's digital world. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Formstack website and log in to your account. If you're new, sign up for free. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Click on Create New Form to start fresh. You can choose from pre-built templates for things like surveys or contact forms, or go with a blank canvas if you want full control. Next, it's time to build your form. Click the Add Field button and select from options like text boxes for short answers, drop-down menus for choices, or checkboxes for multiple selections. Make sure to label each field clearly so users know exactly what to do. Think about their experience to keep things smooth. Now, let's make it look great. Go to the Design section to customize colors, fonts, and layouts. Formstack lets you add branding, like your logo, to make it professional. Don't forget to set up settings, such as required fields or email notifications, so you get responses right away. Before sharing, always preview your form. This step is crucial. Check how it looks on mobile and desktop to ensure it's responsive and error-free. Once you're happy, hit the Publish button and grab the link or embed code to share it anywhere. A quick tip: keep your forms short and focused to improve completion rates. People appreciate quick interactions. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to create a form in Formstack. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.